Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my reading log today. So, my name is Kalinda Aprilia Putri. Today, I would like to share an inspiring article entitled How to Start the Things You Say You Won't Do, written by Erika Anderson and published by Forbes. I chose this article because the topic is very relatable. I think everyone has a dream or goals they want to achieve, but sometimes we keep delaying them. So this article doesn't just tell us to work harder, it explains how changing our mindset can help us finally take action. That's why I found it very inspiring. Now let's move to the first section from the article. The author begins by giving simple explains of people who say they want to do something like learning French or finding a better job but never actually make real progress. Then she explained an important idea. Sometimes we think, we really want something, but if we never take action, maybe we only wish for it instead of truly waiting it. One sentence that really choked my attention is that our action show what we truly value. Next is summary. So the main message of this article that motivation is not something or simply born with. We can actually build it. Instead of thinking about how difficult goal is, the author encouraged us to focus on the personal benefit we will get after achieving it. She also recommends imagine ourselves success funding because visualization can increase our motivation and make it easier. So the key ideas is simple. Stop making actions, change your mindset and start doing. Now let's look at the vocabulary highlight. While reading this article, I learned several new words. So this word helped me understand the author message more clearly, especially when she discussed motivation, self-criticism, and personal growth. Learning new vocabulary also made this article easier and more enjoyable understand. So moving on to my review and thoughts, personality, I really enjoy reading this article because it is practical, motivation, and easy to understand. What I like most is that the author doesn't blame people for being lazy. Instead, she explained that sometimes we simply haven't found a strong enough reason to take action. After reading this article, I realized that achieving a goal isn't only about discipline, it's also about having a clear purpose and focusing why that goal is meaningful to us. Finally, I'd like to share my favorite quote from this article. We vote with our action. This is my favorite quote because it reminds us that our action always reflect our real priorities. If we truly want something, we should show it through consistent action, not just through words. I think this quote perfectly represents the message of the whole article. So to conclude, this article teaches us that success doesn't begin with talent or luck. It begins with changing the way we think, believing in the benefit of our goals, and taking the first small step. So instead of just wishing for success, let's start doing some things today. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I just had to let you know you're